Hey guys, I am Dr. Anthony Gustin, and we get a lot of questions about net carbs, total carbs, carb this, carb that, and the truth is that it's way easier than you think. So let's break this apart and define these things. What are net carbs versus total carbs? So if you're using like a food tracking app, MyFitnessPal, Senza, some of these things, and you put in a food, you're gonna get two different values. You're gonna get net carbs out of it, and you're going to get total carbs. So this kind of matters for, I would say, vegetables, mostly, but generally speaking, when you eat a food, there's fiber in it, and then there's starches and things like that, different types of carbohydrates. And so some people, they think that net carbs, which is carbohydrate minus fiber, is all you need to worry about because the fiber doesn't get digested, doesn't impact your insulin. However, when you're getting started on a ketogenic diet, what I highly recommend is just using total carbs only for tracking your macronutrients if you're tracking with macros. So it's just gonna make it way easier, you're gonna get in ketosis way faster, and it's gonna simplify a lot of things for you. So looking at that, you're gonna include all the fibers, and then once you get experience with a ketogenic diet and you're a couple months in and you know how to do things, you know what ketosis feels like, and you're really humming along, and you wanna start playing with it and seeing, okay, can I get away with more net carbs? If I exercise with more total carbs and net carbs and start tweaking with some of these things with your individual health like you should be doing on a long-term basis, then go to net carbs or start switching it up. But if you're just getting started on a ketogenic diet, highly recommend looking at total carbs instead of net carbs. It's gonna simplify your life entirely and you're gonna get results way faster. So do you track total carbs? Do you track net carbs? What has worked for you? Let me know in the comments below. I'm really interested to hear your feedback. And if you have any questions for me on the difference between type of carbohydrates, shoot me an Instagram DM at dranthonygustin, and we will see you guys next time.